Hello and welcome to the episode. Today you joined me on a Kawasaki Z650. This is the 2024 model. Stay tuned, I'll tell you what I think of it. So now we're going to pull over and we'll have a good old chat and look at the juicy bits of this lovely, charming little motorcycle. I'll catch you then. So there we have it, the lovely looking Z650. Such a lovely looking bike, very unique. Angles on it that gives you that sporty, mean look. I really like the style of it. So we have a 64 9cc parallel twin, liquid cooled, same engine they put in a lot of vehicles, but they don't cut costs. They do detune them, retune them and adjust them accordingly to their motorcycles, and they're spot on with this one. Power where you need it, and it's a fun bike. It's great. The engine has got great characteristics. So we have a 15 litre fuel tank and it does 54 miles per gallon, which is pretty good for a sporty style sort of bike. Seat height 790mm. What a fantastic seat height. Makes this bike accessible to a lot of people. Not everyone has got lanky legs, have they? So in that respect, this is a great bike for shorter riders. It only weighs 188 kilograms. For a 650, that's mental. That's why this spins up quicker than the Versus. A lot less weight. Let's pull that along. Great bike. So you can get this in grey black. Retail price is $7,139. If you want it in the red sparkly black, it's $7,239, or graphite grey and black, it's $7,239 on the road with 12 months road tax. Check out C-Star Superbikes if you're interested, and I'll put their phone number on the screen right now. Give them a call. Alright, let's have a look at the switch gear. Again, looks like a bloody Nintendo controller. Not as bad though, we've only got the up and down and the jump button. Got the horn, hazards, indicators, flashers. Yeah, the flasher there, and you've got the dip main beam. Start stop button and a kill switch. All you need. What sort of swing arm we got? Nice chunky aluminium swing arm. That's what it needs. Very stylish looking thing. Low down exhaust, low weight. What tyres do we have in this? Dunlops Road Sport 2. So they're road focused, which is understandable, being a sort of naked bike. Twin discs. Plenty of stopping power for this little machine. Radiator is very exposed, so I would suggest getting a radiator guard for this. As you can see, this has already got a little bit of damage on it, and it's just a demo bike. Got standard forks, they're not upside down. Don't really need upside down forks, to be honest. The only reason they do it is because they can mount a monoblock caliper on it. Great little bike, nice colour scheme. I love the Kawasaki green, they've always got a nice little green touch to them. That is what they're all about. Let's have a look at the key. I imagine if you had a lot of key rings, you'd probably scratch this bit up here. That's a nice key. It says Kawasaki on it. That'll focus. Nice and sturdy. A small fob, so it's not getting in the way. Let's have a look at the fuel flap on the hinge. Nice wide hole, stick the old nozzle in there without spilling it everywhere. Very simple. Do we have LEDs all round? Let's have a looky. Yes, we have LED all round. DRLs, dip beam, main beam, indicators, all LED. Very bright. Adjustable span on the clutch. Adjustable span on the brake. Very important for a bike like this. A nice touch, that is. Got LED rear light. Nice crystal look. There's no red on that. It lights up red, but it looks really nice with that sort of stealth crystal colouring on the rear light. Well, that's it really. We've had a little chat about the specs. Let's jump on, have a ride, and we'll have a good old chat about the bike, how it feels on the road, do a couple of ride bys if you haven't seen them already, and I'll catch you then. Well, let's get back on the vehicle. I've had a nice chat about this lovely little machine. Give it another little ride, another little chat, my final thoughts, who this is aimed at, what my pros are and what my cons are. This is all my opinion, of course. I've been in the motor trade for 20 years, owned about 25 bikes, so hopefully my opinion is a little bit valuable. Right, having said that, let's get on it. I think this small little frame and how light it is, this is probably the fastest engine you could put in it. Any more and the thing would want to be wheeling all the time. So I just think it's a great package. Watch the gravel, Nicholas. Here we go. Oh my god! This is really fun. Yes, it is. I think Jodie will love this bike. I'm just a little bit too fat for it. A little bit crunched. Watch the gravel. In we go. Nice. Right, so can I think of any negatives on this motorcycle? Obviously you don't need cruise control on a bike like this. You're not really going to be doing long distance on it, just the way it's been designed. No reason why you can't though, but so I'm not going to say that as a downside for not having cruise control. I don't expect it. It's a little bit cramped for me, being a bigger guy, a bit cramped. The seat is a little bit hard. It's like a plank of wood. Again, that could be down to my buttocks. Definitely worth a road test though, because all that goes out the window when you're riding it. It's really fun. I don't like the way these bars go in a little bit. I imagine you do get used to it, but they're sort of tapered in, as you can see on the camera, like that. It's hurt my wrist a little bit because that's sort of, I'm doing this, you know. But yeah, that's more of a me issue. It's a sporty bike. I'm not a sports bike fan. This by no means is a sports bike. It's aiming more towards sports bike than other nakeds. So I would say this is more, instead of being 50-50 sports bike, this is more like 60-40. 40 being a naked, 60 being a sports bike. Which is good. Some people might want that. But not a 38-year-old 16-stone chubster. Gearbox is smooth as. You can upshift without using the clutch. Let off the throttle. Slip it into gear. Absolutely seamless. It just goes around the corners on rails. And the big plus about this is my wife, not my bike, has been riding all sorts of bikes, and this is the only one she got on and felt at home. She loved it, put a massive grin on her face, so much so she's took this out twice now, and I'm pretty sure she's buying one. So yeah, that says it all, doesn't it? It's personal preference. Definitely the bike is not for me, but Jody, yes. Right, so this is my quick review of this motorcycle. I've been riding it for about an hour, so you know, hopefully you value my opinion a little bit. It's not just a quick first ride. I've been in it for a while. So thank you for watching. Plenty of reviews coming. If you want to see a certain bike, please comment below and I'll do my best to review it. Please subscribe for more. I do maintenance tips and all sorts of stuff, all motorbike related. So until then, I've been Nick, and I'll catch you on the next episode. Ride safe. Also, if you have large genitalia, like such as myself, it does get squashed on the tank.